Welcome to the best possible course you could take to clean up your books if you're using QuickBooks Online. Cleaning up your books is more than just fixing what you see as you go to do bank reconciliation, although that's the biggest part of it. It's also about making sure that your accounts are classified correctly in the right category. And that's something bank reconciliation cannot do for you. And it's about making sure your accounts receivable balances are correct and making sure each customer payment was applied to the correct invoice. On the accounts payable side, it's also about making sure that every bill payment you made was recorded and applied to the proper bill. How do you know how to do that? Take this course. And if you have a merchandise business, it's also about making sure your physical count of inventory matches the number inside your QuickBooks Online. How do you do that? We'll cover that too. But because bank reconciliation is really the main part of the cleanup, that's the big fat video that will first follow this one in this Cleanup Bank Reconciliation course. But even though you'll be an expert in bank reconciliation when you finish this course, you will still need the videos that follow the bank reconciliation, the rest of the videos in this playlist course, in order to properly clean up your books, regardless of what type of company you have. Now, mind you, I made the example year of the transactions that we will be reconciling together to be the year 2017. That was the year that I put together this fantastic course that has helped hundreds of thousands of people clean up their books and master QuickBooks Online. So don't be fooled by the fact that things look slightly different. They're not. This video is timeless and it will apply for today and years into the future. So come back and visit this course a little bit every day, and by the time you're done, you will have mastered bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online, and you'll always know what to do to keep your books clean. I thank you very much, and without further delay, I now present the best cleanup bank reconciliation course you'll ever learn.